Inte så långt kanske, Lennart. Oj, oj. Det blåser, Lennart. Vad gör du? Fan.
Vad hände?
Det blåser ju. Jag släppte knapparna och bara... Det blåser för mycket här uppe nu.
Oj, vad synd.
Ja, men det har inte sönder fler, tror du?
Jag vet inte, det var ju ganska hård smäll på. Du får...
Ställ den där borta. En liten bit bort. Ska jag prova. Mer utåt. Utåt.
Sarah, what are you doing?
I'm bored. I want to skip rope. I want to skip. I pray.
You want to skip rope? You've been skipping the whole morning.
I want to skip again because I want to see all my fans. I want to see my
When did you lose your teeth?
Like when I was in Sweden.
When you were in Sweden. And who are you? Who are you?
I don't know. Alla älskar poop.
Dada. Now this is our view. It's much more view up there. Now let's skip. Another word of skipping.
No more skipping rope now, please. We do it later.
No. Never.
Okay?
My dad is gonna show me. My dad's gonna do skipping rope, and I'm gonna jump, and I'm gonna jump to 20. Come here. Ooh.
The From family from Sweden to Philippines.
Hello guys. Today I'm bored because you can't go out. It's Corona, and I'm so bored. Anyway,
Can you tell about your father, Sarah?
my father is the best father I ever had.
Thank you. Den bästa pappa du någonsin haft.
Which country you came from, Sarah?
Sweden. Half Sweden, half Philippines.
Oh,
But I come from Sweden.
But where do you come from? Var kommer du ifrån? Säg då. Berätta för kameran.
Dad. Daddy's getting. Daddy's P. I don't know what to say.
Jag är born.
Daddy's born. Born.
so how you feel? How do you like here in your second home country?
I feel like a mouse.
You feel like a mouse? Do you miss Sweden? Sarah?
Yeah.
And why that?
Because I miss my friends.
Can you name all your friends?
Molly. Molly. Molly.
And
And Ingrid and Ella and Paula and
Verkligen du var hemma hos Filippinerna.
Maya and Alva
oh, you got a lots of friends.
and Lilia and Leia and Vendela and Esther and what more?
Many.
So how long you gonna stay here in Philippines?
I don't know.
Can you speak some Filipino words?
It can just go to camera, right?
Buhok.
Buhok, bapa, ilong.
And
And that's all I can.
that's all you can.
Yeah.
I hope you will learn lots more.
Yep. Wait.
How many times you been here in Philippines?
21 or 22?
Since when?
30 years.
30 years ago. So what bring
Can you
you
know
here to the
this?
Philippines before?
Before what?
Can they read
Before.
it?
You.
This Swedish and Philippines. No, English. So why you love Philippines?
It's nice people.
Like,
Like almost everyone is nice.
No, it's not nice.
so you want to stay here in Philippines?
I'm back.
Much better than Sweden.
I thought you would see that. Somebody. Mommy, I touching everything at the store. I touch everything. I'm so slow. I can't even have time to go to the taxi. I'm so slow. My name is Lisa. I'm mommy.
Din mamma är svarta.
Next. Now that.
So do you like guys the weather here in Philippines?
Yes, but it's a little bit too warm.
I know. I want to go to Sweden. When it's warm, I want like, when do I go to Sweden? And when it's Sweden, it's too cold. And I go to Philippines and Är du klar?
Nej. Mamma får först dra i repet där.
What?
Pappa vill se när jag hoppar 20 hopp.
Ja, hjälp henne då.
Sarah? So you promise your friends
Fans, not friends.
that you're gonna hoop how many tomorrow?
20.
20. Wow. It was 15 then, and now it's 20.
My dad wants to see when I jump 20, so let's go. No, Sky. Huh? No, vänta.
Okay, this is the last one.
Okej. Mamma, det är mycket lättare att köra med en. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Mamma! Okej, nu. Vänta. Vänta, allvarligt. Vänta. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Aj! Nu kör vi. Nu ska jag prova. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Ja! So this is our lunch. I eat humbang nangka. This is jackfruit with rice cooked in coconut oil, coconut milk, and this is the banana. I miss them so much. That's the coconut. That's the pancake for Sarah. And since we are in quarantine, so we have to we have to do something here in the house. We cannot go out. We have to stay inside our premises. So Leonard and Sarah tried to watch film, and yeah, I take my lunch. Deducting. Very good.
Look, it's a lot of these. Last time was 7. Now it's like more, like 8 or 10.
Yeah, you do like that. So these are the plants where my brothers replanted it. I think it's gonna rain. Very good, Sarah.
I just go like this because then they'll come on.
No, Sarah, do not do like that. Because the soil, you know, they will spread out.
How do you water this plant? How do you water
That's a bamboo, Chinese bamboo.
It's not even growing.
Duktig lilla älskling.
James Charles. James Charles. You do the physical. You do the physical. It's on my mouth, guys. It's on my mouth.